The shorts never closed, turd, because they won. Alright, what the f is going on with Apple? Have they reported anything? No. They normally declare in an hour. Oh, fuck that. I'm not going to wait around for that. All right, so SPX pretty much blowing out the top of its call interest again today, closing up 189 basis points. NQ lagging a little bit behind at 166, Russell at 260, and Dow at 168. So the pump is still pretty broad. A little underperformance in tech, but RSP was up 222 basis points today. So plenty of breadth on the move up, which should be considered healthy, and we'll probably continue to see this move up regardless of Apple's earnings, just simply based on the positioning that's still on the chain. Apple's earnings will have to be really bad, and tomorrow's labor data as well in order to turn this around. Otherwise, I still fully expect we're going to test 4350 or even 4400 over the next week or so. Look at crowd downs. It's in after hours. How bad is it? I only have a couple spreads. I don't really give a shit. But what the news are they dropping on? Is this just like weird after hours volatility? That's a big drop. Is there news? Nope. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that's from. Odd. Bonds started to recover a little bit today and then failed into close, but closed a little higher than their low for the day, which was nice. We still see Dixie holding that 106 level, and yen is still above 150. Correlations continue to fall off. One and the 3-month has now exceeded the mid-October, late October low, and we're kind of heading towards like pre-October OPEX for both of those. Although the 1-month correlation, I would say volatility is still a little higher overall than where we fell to on the October 24th upside move. Forward returns on volatility continue to drop, but we're starting to see yields tighten back up. And so hopefully this will start to pressure vol back to the upside over the next couple days or week or so. It might take a little while, but it'll bounce back. The pressure is driving the dollar higher. They're far from gone. Bond volatility, the print's probably wrong, so I'm just going to ignore that for now. Yes, we broke through the long-term trend from October. Our next upside resistance is going to be around here at 43.50, unless we fall back below the trend tonight or into tomorrow morning. Based on Apple earnings and the rest of the data. So we'll see how that plays out, but I would say right now my expectation would be that tomorrow we see a test of 43.50 and maybe a move higher, unless all the data is really, really bad. If it is, and we lose the long-term support, we could move back towards 42.50, but that would I think that'll take some time. And I still expect the Vega risk levels at like 42.50 and 42.25 to be well defended. Yeah, I think that's about it. Fubo's got earnings tomorrow. We see a little bit of covering occurring, but not a lot. So some covering in anticipation of earnings. I would say if this is backed by a strong index move and they beat on earnings, it's got the potential to move up. I don't know if we'll see $4 again, but I think our starting point's high enough that it's possible. Yeah, that's about it for today. I know some people were looking at Tesla. Tesla did close above that 1750 resistance. If you really want to confirm the upside trend, you can wait till 21, which it's like 2150, or yeah, 2150. This is where charm goes positive. So then you'll have delta, charm, and gamma positive on the move to the upside. And that'll help. That'll not only protect downside moves, but it'll help it move up harder. If Tesla's going to recover, that's what I'd be looking for. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. I hope everyone has a great night. Later.